A door is more than just an entryway. It's a statement of style, security, and energy efficiency for your home or business. Whether you're upgrading to a sturdier front door, replacing an outdated interior door, or installing a modern patio door, hiring professionals for a door replacement in Birmingham ensures a smooth process from start to finish. If you're considering a new door installation, here's what to expect during the process. Initial consultation and door selection. The first step in a professional door replacement is a consultation with an experienced contractor. Many reputable Birmingham door replacement companies offer free initial assessments where they evaluate your existing door, take measurements, and discuss your needs. During this stage, you'll also choose the type of door that best suits your home's style, security needs, and budget. Options include front entry doors, made of wood, fiberglass, or steel for enhanced durability and insulation. Interior doors, ranging from classic wooden doors to modern glass panel designs. Patio and French doors, available in sliding, folding, or hinged styles. Storm and security doors, added layers of protection against weather and intruders. Pre-installation preparation. Once you've chosen your door, the installation team will schedule a convenient time for the replacement. Before the installation date, it's important to clear the area around the door to provide easy access. Remove any personal items, decor, or furniture near the entryway. Discuss any special requests with your installer, such as frame adjustments or additional security features. Door removal and inspection. On the installation day, the first step is removing your old door. The professionals will carefully detach the existing door from its hinges and frame. Inspect the door frame and surrounding structure for any damage, such as wood rot or misalignment. Make necessary repairs or modifications to ensure a secure fit for the new door. Precise door installation. After the old door is removed, the new one is carefully fitted. This process involves positioning the new door correctly within the frame, securing the hinges and ensuring proper alignment, sealing gaps with weather stripping or insulation to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, installing locks, handles, and any additional hardware. Professional door installers in Birmingham use specialized tools to ensure that the door opens, closes, and locks smoothly. Final adjustments and cleanup. Once the new door is installed, the team will make final adjustments, ensuring the door is level and properly aligned. There are no gaps that could lead to drafts or security issues. The locks and hardware function correctly. After installation, professionals clean up any debris, removing the old door and leftover materials. They will also walk you through the finished installation to ensure you're satisfied with the results. Post-installation inspection and maintenance tips. Before the professionals leave, they typically conduct a final inspection and provide maintenance tips, such as how to clean and care for your new door, how to check for potential wear and tear over time, when to schedule routine maintenance for added longevity. Why choose professional door replacement in Birmingham? While DIY door installation may seem cost-effective, professional replacement offers several advantages, including precision and expertise. Professionals ensure a perfect fit and high-quality installation. Time efficiency. Installation is completed quickly, without unnecessary delays. Warranty protection. Many professional services offer warranties on labor and materials. Enhanced security and energy efficiency. Proper installation prevents drafts and strengthens home security. Conclusion. A professional door replacement in Birmingham is a seamless process that enhances your home's security, appearance, and energy efficiency. By working with experienced professionals, you'll enjoy a hassle-free experience with high-quality results. Whether you're upgrading your front door for curb appeal or improving interior functionality, a well-installed door adds long-lasting value to your property. Ready to transform your space with a new door? Contact a trusted door replacement service in Birmingham today.